Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever worked with lots of data in Smartsheet and found yourself wishing you could just make sense of it all in a snap, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to sort your information in Smartsheet, so you can quickly organize your sheets and find what you need without any stress. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to sort by any column and even set up multiple sorting rules to keep your sheet perfectly arranged. Let's jump right into it. First things first. You want to sort your data, so you'll need to decide which column you want to use as your starting point. For example, maybe you have a list of tasks and you want to sort them by due date, or perhaps you've got a contact list and want to sort everyone alphabetically by last name. To get started, simply click on the header of the column you want to use. Give it a nice clear click so Smartsheet knows exactly where you want to focus. Once you've selected the column, do a quick right-click directly on that header. That will bring up a menu. Don't worry, you're in the right spot. In the menu that pops up, you'll see an option that says Sort Rows. Go ahead and click that. This is like telling Smartsheet, hey, I want to put things in order based on the column I've chosen. A new window will pop up, giving you all the options for sorting. You'll see a section that says Sort Items By. This is where you decide which column is your primary sorting key. Maybe you chose due date earlier, or maybe it's priority. Just use the drop-down menu to make sure you're sorting by the exact column you want. Now comes a really important step, choosing whether you want things to go in ascending or descending order. Ascending usually means from A to Z or from 1 to 100. Think of alphabetizing your favorite books on a shelf. Descending is the reverse. It's like counting down from highest to lowest, or Z to A. Pick whichever makes the most sense for your data. For example, if you want the most urgent deadlines at the top, you use ascending order for dates. But what if you want to get a little more specific with your sorting? Smartsheet lets you do that too. You'll see an option to Add Then By. This lets you apply a secondary sort. Let's say your main sort is by status, but you'd also like to have items within each status ordered by assigned to. Click the Add Then By button, then pick your second column from the dropdown, and again, decide if you'd like it in ascending or descending order. You can set up several levels of sorting, which is honestly super handy for big projects with lots of moving pieces. Once you've chosen your sorting rules, just take a moment to double-check your selections. No need to rush. It's better to be sure now than realize your data isn't organized the way you wanted later. When everything looks good, hit the OK button. Smartsheet will instantly reorganize your rows to match the rules you set. Don't worry if it takes a second for large sheets, that's perfectly normal. And that's it, your data is now neat and organized just the way you want it. If something doesn't look quite right, you can always repeat the steps and try a different sorting order. Practice makes perfect, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up. It really means a lot and helps others find these tips. And if you have any questions, or there's another Smartsheet feature you'd like to learn about, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.